Your engine is wasting fuel right now and your car has no idea it is happening. The check engine light is off. The dashboard shows no warnings. Every sensor reports normal operation to your engine computer. Yet somewhere between 15 and 25% of the fuel entering your combustion chambers is being wasted through incomplete combustion, improper air-fuel mixture calculations, and system inefficiencies that accumulate so gradually you never notice the decline. You remember when this car felt more responsive. You remember when a full tank lasted longer. You remember when acceleration felt sharper and the engine seemed eager rather than tired. You attributed the change to age, to mileage, to the inevitable degradation that happens to all machines over time. It was not inevitable. It was not permanent. And Japanese mechanics have been reversing this exact decline for decades using a systematic calibration procedure that restores factory fuel efficiency within 24 hours of application. My name is Kenzo, and what I am about to show you is standard practice in every Japanese domestic market service facility, and virtually unknown in Western repair shops where the solution to poor fuel economy is usually a shrug and a suggestion to buy a newer vehicle. The procedure is called intake system recalibration. It addresses the primary cause of fuel economy decline in modern fuel-injected engines, a cause that has nothing to do with worn components or mechanical failure. The cause is contamination-induced sensor drift. Your engine computer calculates fuel delivery based on information from sensors measuring airflow, oxygen content, throttle position, and dozens of other parameters. When these sensors become contaminated with oil vapor residue, carbon deposits, and environmental particulates, their readings drift from accurate to approximate. The drift happens slowly, often less than 1% per month. Your engine computer compensates automatically, adjusting fuel trims to maintain smooth operation despite receiving increasingly inaccurate data. You never feel the compensation happening. The engine runs fine. But the compensation requires adding extra fuel to cover the uncertainty in sensor readings. This extra fuel is your lost economy. It is burning in your engine right now, contributing nothing to forward motion, existing only because your sensors can no longer tell your computer exactly what is happening inside your intake system. The mass airflow sensor is the primary culprit in most fuel economy decline. This sensor sits in your intake tube between the air filter and throttle body. It measures the exact volume and density of air entering your engine, so the computer can calculate precisely how much fuel to inject for optimal combustion. The sensor element is a thin heated wire or film that changes electrical resistance based on the cooling effect of passing air. When this element is clean, its measurements are accurate to within 1%. When this element becomes coated with oil vapor residue from crankcase ventilation gases, its measurements drift by 5 to 15%, depending on contamination severity. The computer sees this drifted reading and assumes less air is entering the engine than actually is. It reduces fuel injection accordingly. The engine runs lean. Performance suffers. The computer detects the lean condition through oxygen sensor feedback and adds compensating fuel through learned fuel trim adjustments. But these adjustments are imperfect estimates, not precise calculations. The engine runs rich in some conditions, lean in others, and optimal in almost none. Fuel economy drops, even though every system appears to function normally. Japanese service protocols address mass airflow sensor contamination as routine maintenance performed every 20,000 kilometers. Technicians remove the sensor and clean it with a specialized solvent that dissolves oil residue without damaging the delicate sensing element. The procedure takes less than 10 minutes. The cost of the cleaning solvent is approximately $8 per can, enough for multiple cleanings. The immediate effect on fuel economy is measurable within the first tank of fuel following treatment. Owners typically report improvements of 8 to 15% in real-world fuel consumption. The engine feels more responsive because air-fuel mixtures are now calculated from accurate data rather than contaminated approximations. Acceleration improves because fuel delivery matches actual airflow rather than underestimating it. These improvements appear overnight because the problem was never mechanical wear requiring repair. The problem was contamination requiring cleaning. The throttle body is the second component addressed in Japanese intake recalibration protocols. This is the valve that controls airflow into your engine based on accelerator pedal position. Modern throttle bodies are electronically controlled rather than cable operated. They contain internal passages and sensors that become contaminated with carbon deposits and oil vapor residue over time. When these deposits accumulate on the throttle plate and bore surfaces, two problems develop. First, the throttle cannot close completely at idle because deposits prevent full seating of the plate against the bore. The engine computer compensates by adjusting idle air control parameters, but this compensation increases fuel consumption at idle and during deceleration. Second, the throttle position sensor reads inaccurately because deposits change the relationship between plate angle and airflow volume. The computer believes the throttle is more closed than it actually is, leading to fuel delivery errors during light throttle cruise conditions where fuel economy matters most. Throttle body cleaning is standard maintenance in Japanese domestic market service schedules, recommended every 30,000 kilometers. Western service schedules rarely mention throttle body maintenance at all unless drivability problems have already developed. The cleaning procedure involves removing the intake tube to access the throttle body, opening the throttle plate fully, and cleaning all internal surfaces with a specialized carburetor and throttle body cleaner. Deposits on the plate edges and bore surfaces dissolve on contact with proper solvent. The sensing surfaces require gentler treatment to avoid damaging electronic components. Total procedure time is approximately 20 minutes. Material cost is less than $15. The improvement in fuel economy is immediate and typically ranges from 5 to 10% depending on the severity of prior contamination. Here is the complete procedure to perform Japanese intake system recalibration on your own vehicle. You will need 2 products and approximately 45 minutes of time. The first product is Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner, a specialized solvent formulated specifically for MAF sensor elements. Do not use carburetor cleaner, brake cleaner, or general purpose solvents on your mass airflow sensor. These products can damage the sensing element or leave residues that cause inaccurate readings. Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner evaporates completely and leaves no residue. Cost is approximately $8 to $12 per can. The second product is Throttle Body Cleaner, a stronger solvent designed for carbon and varnish deposits on throttle body surfaces. This product is not appropriate for MAF sensors but is necessary for effective throttle body cleaning. Cost is approximately $6 to $10 per can. Begin with the mass airflow sensor. Locate the sensor in your intake tube. It is typically positioned between the air filter housing and the throttle body, held in place by 2 small screws and connected by an electrical plug. Disconnect the electrical connector. Remove the 2 screws. Carefully withdraw the sensor from the intake tube. You will see the sensing element inside the sensor housing. It appears as a small wire or film element mounted on a plastic carrier. Hold the sensor with the element facing downward and spray the element thoroughly with MAF sensor cleaner from approximately 2 inches away. Allow the solvent to drain completely. Spray again. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times until no visible residue remains on the element. Allow the sensor to air dry for 10 minutes before reinstalling. Do not touch the sensing element with your fingers or any tool. Skin oils will contaminate the element and cause the same problems you are trying to solve. While the MAF sensor dries, proceed to the throttle body. Remove the intake tube connecting the air filter housing to the throttle body. This usually involves loosening 2 hose clamps and disconnecting any sensors or breather hoses attached to the tube. With the tube removed, you will have direct access to the throttle body and throttle plate. Have an assistant hold the accelerator pedal to the floor to open the throttle plate fully, or locate the throttle linkage mechanism and open it manually. Spray throttle body cleaner liberally onto all interior surfaces of the throttle body bore and both sides of the throttle plate. Use a soft cloth or soft bristled brush to remove deposits that do not dissolve immediately. Pay particular attention to the edges of the throttle plate where it contacts the bore at closed position. These surfaces accumulate the heaviest deposits and cause the most significant air leakage when contaminated. Continue cleaning until all visible deposits are removed and metal surfaces appear clean. Allow the throttle body to air dry for 5 minutes. Reassemble the intake tube and reconnect all hoses and sensors. Reinstall the dried mass airflow sensor, ensuring it is oriented correctly and secured with both screws. Reconnect the electrical connector. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position without starting and wait 30 seconds. This allows the engine computer to perform sensor checks and register the newly cleaned components. Start the engine. It may idle roughly for the first minute as the computer relearns proper idle parameters based on the now accurate sensor readings. Allow the engine to idle for 5 to 10 minutes until idle quality stabilizes. Some vehicles require a specific idle relearn procedure involving cycling the key and allowing extended idle periods. Consult your vehicle's service manual if rough idle persists beyond 10 minutes. Drive your vehicle normally for the next 24 hours. During this period, the engine computer relearns fuel trim values based on accurate sensor data. The learned fuel trims that compensated for contaminated sensors are gradually replaced with new values reflecting actual operating conditions. Most owners notice improvement within the first drive. Throttle response feels sharper because the computer now knows exactly how much air is entering the engine. Acceleration feels stronger because fuel delivery matches actual airflow rather than underestimating it. By the time you refill your fuel tank, you will have real data showing the improvement in fuel economy. Japanese fleet operators document fuel economy improvements of 10 to 20% following intake system recalibration on vehicles that have never received this service. Taxi companies performing this procedure at 20,000 kilometer intervals maintain fuel economy within 5% of factory specification to 300,000 kilometers and beyond. The degradation that Western owners accept as normal aging simply does not occur when contamination is addressed, before it accumulates to problematic levels. The procedure costs less than $25 in materials. It requires less than 1 hour of time. It can be performed in your driveway with basic hand tools, and it reverses months or years of gradual efficiency loss within 24 hours of completion. Your engine was designed to deliver specific fuel economy numbers. Those numbers assumed sensors would provide accurate data, and intake systems would remain clean. Reality delivered contamination that your maintenance schedule never addressed. Every mile you have driven since contamination reached significant levels has cost you money and wasted fuel. Every tank you fill is smaller in effective range than it should be. The solution is not a new vehicle or expensive repairs. The solution is 45 minutes of cleaning that Japanese mechanics consider basic maintenance and Western mechanics never mention because it generates no meaningful repair revenue. If this changed how you think about fuel economy, subscribe to Secret Japanese Garage right now. Hit the like button because it pushes this video to other owners who are burning money and wasted fuel without knowing why. Drop a comment telling me your vehicle, your current fuel economy, and what you see after performing this procedure. I read every comment, and your results help other owners understand what is possible when you maintain your vehicle the way Japanese professionals do. The efficiency they designed into your engine is still there waiting to be restored. I will see you in the next one.